Hi, I'm Rachel from Naturally Social and I love all things Canva. In this YouTube video, I'm going to take you through a quick run through of all the elements available within Canva. Now remember, this is just an overview to get you started, so if you're looking to get started with Canva, this is definitely the video for you. Let's jump in. So when you first log into Canva, this is your home display. This allows you to see your recent designs, so anything that you've previously been working on. To access those templates, simply click on those and they'll appear in another pop-up. It also allows you to search your designs, so getting into the habit of naming your designs with something that's easy to remember is something that's a great habit to form. You can search for templates and you can use Canva's AI. Along this middle section here are some quick start links, so you can create a new presentation, look at social media, a video, something that is going to be printable. So is that a leaflet? Is it visuals to go on a t-shirt? You can create a document, use the whiteboard, use Canva Sheets, which was something that was dropped last year. You could create a website and you can create an email. You can also edit your photos and, of course, create something that is customizable. An additional feature here, which is upload, it means that you can actually upload a document, and that could be in PDF form, and you can edit that within Canva too, which is a massive help. Down the left-hand side, you can see a number of buttons here. So the first one is Create. This allows you to simply create what it is that you're looking for. So you can say, I want to create a new Instagram post, and it gives you the option of an Instagram story, or you can just type in what you're looking for here. My recommendation though is if that you're looking for a template to start creating, is to search the templates function here. It's just far more user-friendly in my opinion, but also gives you some additional prompts to get you started. So if you're looking to create an email, you can click on there, and then as a visual learner myself, I think it's easier just to be able to look at what sort of style there is available and then choose something accordingly. Projects is the next tab, and this is where you can organize everything that you're working on. So if you work with a number of different clients or you're working on different campaigns, you can save those into folders and keep everything nice and tidy and easy to find. My one gripe, I guess, about Canva is that projects isn't the tab that opens when you first open Canva. So you'll always go from the home button. So even if you have been organizing, you're only going to see everything that you've been working on more recently until you scroll down, and then you may find some of your additional projects a little bit further down the screen there too. So it's a great tool to have. It's just a little frustrating that that is not the page that it opens up on. Okay, next is again another shortcut that's going to take you to that template section. So this is the same screen that you get to by simply clicking on this templates tab from the home, which is massively user friendly and definitely prevents the additional clicking. Next is the brand. This is where you're able to create a brand kit. Now, a brand kit is something where it's taking everything from your branding, that's your logos, any photos, your hex codes for your brand colors, and the fonts that you've outlined within your brand guidelines as well. You can then have those added to one brand kit, which means that when you are working on specific clients or even your own business, you're able to easily and quickly find those colors or fonts without having to constantly be referring back to your brand guidelines. Canva AI is something we love. So this is somewhere where you can start talking to the AI about something that you're looking to create. Like with everything on AI, it all comes down to the prompt. The more vague you are, it's the likelihood that your output is going to be less than what you're looking for. So really consider what it is that you're asking. But you can also use some of these quick starter buttons down here as well. And they're definitely worth a play around with if AI is something that you're interested in, or you have a few more minutes of time where you're able to just keep exploring what's within Canva. And the best way I find to learn more about Canva is just to keep trying. When we click on more, you get the option of apps and grow, content planner, and design school. So the design school is fantastic for additional training. You can use AI tools within the grow section here. This is currently in beta mode and only dropped in the last feature update. So you can start working through anything from here. And actually, the potential that the AI within Canva has is immense. Next, we're going to look at apps. So the apps are things that you can connect to Canva to kind of get even more out of it, really. You can design your email and send it within MailChimp, which is absolutely fantastic. We don't personally use MailChimp. We use EcoSend from an eco-friendly point of view, but being able to do that is fantastic. You know, the time saved is going to be amazing. And then as you scroll down, you can see what things are trending. You know, we've got face swap, and along with a little bit of information there about Canva and MailChimp's partnership. We also then have some additional tools that you can then add within your designs. So image upscaler, if you have something that you've uploaded, say an image or a logo that is lesser quality than you would like, you could use image upscaler to attempt to improve the quality of that image. Therefore, when you print it, it doesn't look as pixelated as it would if you hadn't used it. So there are some amazing features within Canva, and they are definitely worth exploring. I hope you found that really helpful. We're hoping to get some more Canva training videos out to you soon. The first one we have lined up is how to set up a brand kit. So please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.